Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. In today's video, I present to you some vintage country cottage vibe home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage country cottage vibe home decor blends the warmth and simplicity of rural living with nostalgic time or charm. This style emphasizes comfort, character, and a lived-in feeling, using a mix of rustic and vintage-inspired elements. Here is how it defines it. Core characteristics: use soft, cozy aesthetic. Use updated pastel and nature-inspired colors like soft white, sage green, dusty rose, pale blue, cream, or buttery yellow. Layers of textiles. Think rosetted rolls, ruffled curtains, and floral or gingham fabrics. Number 2. Distressed and weathered finishes. Furniture and decor that look time-worn or aged, like chippy paint, whitewashed oaks, and patina on metal. Mix of painted wood furniture with natural wood grain. Number 3. Antique and vintage finds. Incorporation of flower market treasures like old clocks, enamel pictures, wooden cradles, and ironstone dishes. Use reclaimed items or repurposed pieces like a vintage treasure turned into a vanity. Number 4. Cottage garden influence. Florals are essential on fabrics, wallpaper, or in fresh buckets. Use botanical prints, vintage garden tools, or herb drying racks as wall accents. Number 5. Mix of patterns and textures. Use layered rugs, quilted with sprigs, lace table runners, and technique-style cushions. Combine textures with wicker, linen, lace, and iron. Number 6. Open airy spaces with charm. Use of open shelving to display heirloom dishes, jars of dried herbs, or stacked linens. Use exposed beams, bedboard paneling, or stick-up walls if available. Number 7. Sentimental touches. Handmade items or family heirlooms for a personal touch. Use framed vintage photos or embroidered samplers. Atmosphere and mood. The overall feeling is inviting, cozy, and relaxed. Think of a countryside retreat or an old farmhouse that's been lovingly crafted over decades. Every piece should look like it has a story, whether it came from your grandmother's attic or a charming second-hand shop. Furniture style. Furniture in this style is charming and collected, not massed or modern. Mix and match pieces. Chairs around a farmhouse table don't need to be industrial. Distressed finishes, painted wood, chipped aged, or gently on upholstery. Carved and craftsmanship. Look for turned legs, scalloped edged, and soft lines in dressers, side tables, or armoires. Use vintage storage like hutches, biceps, and trunks for both display and utility. Textiles. Layering is key to creating warmth, fabrics, linen, cotton, muslin, and lace are staples. Patterns, florals, checks, straps, and toy. Touches, ruffled curtains, embroidered pillowcases, hand-quilted blanket, presented toilets, and lace tablecloths. Decor and accessories. Details bring the space to life. Use vintage kitchenware, iron crystal, animalware, glass jars, and copper pots. Wall art. Use botanical prints, placed flowers in the side, or old portraits. Lighting. Old iron candelabras, glass wall lamps, now eclectic, or ceramic lamps with floral shades. Nature accents. Use dried lavender, herbs, wicker baskets with bud flowers, or ivy in terracotta pots. Architectural touches. If you are doing right renovations or DIY upgrades, like exposed wood beams, baseboard wainscoting, or whitewashed wood floors add character. Open shelving in kitchens with crowded dishware. Fireplaces or fox mantles styled with candles, garlands, and antique mirrors. Mixing old and new. Vintage country cottage does not mean everything must be antique. Pair an old dresser with a new soft linen slip-covered chair. Mix reproduction hardware with a genuine vintage store. Use modern comfort, sublet naked, flat display TV hidden in an armory. Seasonal touches in spring. Add fresh wildflowers, light cotton throws, and soft pastels. In winter, layer with cozy knits, vintage style holiday decor, and warm candlelight. Philosophy behind the style. Vintage country cottage style is more than just aesthetics. It is about creating a nostalgic, nurturing, and solar-based home environment. It embraces imperfections and authenticity. You want items that look like they have been used and loved. It is eco-friendly and healthy, since much of it envelopes upcycling, shifting, and reusing materials. There is a strong sense of comfort, familiarity, and storytelling in the space. Why to source items? This style encourages treasures, hunting, and being creative with what you find. Tip stores, flower markets, and antique shops. Great for old frames, baskets, vintage dishes, and rustic furniture. Eastay and eBay, perfect for antique handmade or antique decor. Farmers markets or small town shops often carry handmade linens, pottery, or old tools. DIY projects refurbish old furniture, paint frames, or turn passengers into lanterns or vases. Signature elements. Here are some unique recognized touches of this style. Cottagecore florals. Think rustic prints on everything. Curtains, aprons, bedding, and wallpaper. also called Farmhouse sales, is open shelves with windows, mixing bowls, jam jars, and embroidered tea towels. Big racks or hooks for hanging copper pans, baskets, or mugs. Bedroom details added on wooden beds with floral points and lots of pillows. Painted nightstands with an alarm clock and lace curtains. Is a vanity or dressing table, the noble mirror, and antique perfume bottles. Bathroom touches is cloth tops or painted freestanding cabinets. Is wicker baskets for towels, aperture jars for bath salts and pitchers and basin set. White beadboard walls and soft lighting with vintage sconces. The themes by regions. Different countries influence the country cottage style in slightly different ways. English cottage was romantic and floral heavy with a slightly whimsical lifted look. French country adds elegance, lavender, antique gilded mirrors, and rustic sophistication. American farmhouse, simple and practical, chipped walls, barn-style doors, and galvanized metal. A Scandinavian cottage, more minimal, using peeling oaks and cozy, high-inspired details. Lifestyle integration. This style often includes hobbies and rituals that enhance the feeling of country living, like gardening, giant herbs, flower arranging, and kitchen windowsills filled with potted plants. Crafting and baking. A visible swing station or baking tools hung on walls. Seasonal decorating, switching out weathered pillow covers and florals to reflect each season. Creating harmony, touch of a clutter, use only meaningful vintage items, so it felt crowded, not chaotic. Mix newer, clean lines items with older old pieces to avoid it feeling too dated. Let natural light in. Light sheer curtains are ideal. Emotional experience. A vintage antique cottage is not just a style, it is a feeling. Living in one should make you feel at peace. A retreat from the past back to modern world. Nostalgic, like visiting your grandmother's cottage filled with cherished memories. Connected to nature through florals, natural pictures, and garden-inspired accents. Aspire to solo town. Make from scratch. Write in a journal. Change houseplants or sip tea in a cozy look. Lifestyle integration tips. To fully embrace this style, incorporate its rhythm into your routine. Display seasonal buckets, wallflowers in spring, giant lavender in summer, branches or berries in fall. Laundry to dry on a line or drying rack instead of using a dryer. or a craft in a winter nook with plush pillows and a soft throw blanket. Set a rustic breakfast table with mismatched dishes, floral napkins, and pictures of fresh juice. Stories with charm. In a cottage, even a storage becomes a design element. Wicker baskets for everything, blankets, toys, pantry items, and laundry. Use vintage trunks and suitcases as coffee tables or stacks for storage. Use open shelving with organized jars, canisters, or folded linens. Use wall-mounted hooks and big rails to hang tools, baskets, coats, or aprons. Outdoor connection. If you have outdoor space, blend indoor and outdoor like a true cottage. A small herb garden in pots or a winter box, a Mr. table with old iron chairs for tea outside. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me.